Yeah, I think you about to go ahead and check mine right now, and we're gonna be good to go. I ain't even gotta like really stay here too long. Yep, thank you. I put them on myself. Okay. I done got my title already. Rebuilt title. Y'all blowing me up on Instagram for my Honda Accord. I'm not selling my Honda Accord. Fit check. Yes, sir. All the way down to the... Ooh. Like, so this is our new daily driver right here. We're gonna be daily driving that thing all day, every day. That's my daily ride right there. Got a little dent right here. I ain't worried about it. We Hustle Daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, and we are getting our car inspected today. I forgot to record on the way over here, so I'm recording right now. I'm at the salvage inspection place. Y'all know we failed last week because of the rear control arms. Y'all know I just changed the rear control arms. That yesterday? That was the day before yesterday. But we fresh again. Come on, look at the lenses. I had to put the lenses on. I got to get fresh straight bright early in the morning, man. Come on, man. Y'all ain't gotta hate on your boy. Look at the reflector on the Steve Maddens. What? But anyway, yeah, we here. I was talking to my boy over there. It's a big truck. So he getting this inspected. She getting that inspected. And I'm about to go back over there and holler at him in a minute. But let me show y'all what we came to really get inspected today. Boom. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We're back in full effect. I need to do something with these, this headlight right here. I need to spiffy it up a little bit. So that one looked like it's been on the car for a long time. This one looked like it's been on the car for a year or two. This look like it's been on the car for goddamn since the car was made. So I'm gonna buy. Well, I think I got something. I just give it a sandpaper, sand it down. I can get it to look a little better than that. I ain't really tripping, y'all. You feel me? I ain't tripping how y'all be tripping. I don't be tripping how y'all be tripping. Let me move this. Yeah, let me move it. I don't even want him to see that shit. I was about to say, let me just keep it on. He ain't gonna trip, but let me not get him no excuse to mess with me. You feel me? So we done smack those on. We shouldn't even probably be here too long, but I ain't gonna lie. It was two people ahead of me. So that Ford and that Chevrolet. But y'all see what's going on. I don't know what happened to this car on this side. What y'all think happened? But I'm glad. Well, shit, I'm glad I ain't talking about this because. You feel me? I didn't think you should fail because of, something else that was done. Oh, he coming back over there looking. Okay. I didn't think you should, but, you just never know. You know what I'm saying? But I think he about to go ahead and check mines right to the now. I need another truck so bad, man. But, yeah, I think he about to go ahead and check mines right now. And we're going to be good to go. I ain't even got to, really stay here too long. Yep, thank you. I put them on myself. Okay. Yep. So, like I told him, put them things on myself, man. So, we good to go. Shit. Yep, shit. Y'all see it? Shit, he just damn near passed me right there. We still recording. So, yep, let me show y'all the whole car. So, y'all can't, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all won't ever forget what we looking like. So, this is our new daily driver right here. We're going to be daily driving that thing. All day, every day. That's my daily ride right there. Got a little dent right here. I ain't worried about it. I could easily sell this car for like 5 racks right now. You feel me? But I'm straight. Y'all remember how much I paid for it? Let me know in the comments below. What is that at the bottom right there? I did not do that. What the hell is that? That's why I don't be liking to park just any old where. Y'all one of those people who just don't like park anywhere? Because I don't. Oh, I can put my rubber bands back on there now. I really don't need the rubber bands on there. I just did it because y'all know I glued this on there. It's straight though. I don't think it's gonna fall. I don't think it's gonna fall at all. Oh damn, the door locked. But other than that, y'all, starting to rain a little bit out here. I was just gonna say I should go to the auction today. My mom and them actually want one of these, so I'm gonna see if I can probably find them one. I'll be getting that one and selling them this one. You feel me? Because this one ain't pushed to start or nothing. So, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, we got good tires. We cool, man. I'm just still selling the Hyundai. Y'all who be like, let me buy the Hyundai, Ray. Hit me up on Instagram, link it in the description, man. Y'all ain't trying to buy no car. That's why I never really tried to sell y'all cars, bro. Y'all just be talking, man. Y'all just be talking. Y'all don't be trying to buy no car. So shit, but you know it's around Christmas time right now. So things is moving kind of slow, but I ain't tripping. I just gonna chill out on buying something for a little while until I sell what we got, which is really just a Hyundai. I got too many cars now, but it's like I don't want to sell my van. I still got to fix my truck. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at this joint. Just that Lightning. It's that Ford Lightning right here. Oh, it's looking nasty. I didn't get it last time we came out here. Let me show you. Yes, sir. But all right, like I said, I think we done passed already, so I'm gonna just wait for them to come out. Well, I'm gonna go in there in a minute, actually. I think he's probably doing the paperwork now. All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to whdacademy.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States. And essentially, you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer-only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com. All right, guys, and we done passed just like that. He didn't put my shit on a lift, nothing. Feel me? He didn't put my shit on a lift, nothing. We done passed. We good to go. So shit, I'm about to pull off on the thing. Pull straight off on that motherfucker, man. You feel me? Yeah, we good to go, y'all. Shit. We good. So yeah, man, I'm trying to see if I want to go to the auction today. It was kind of raining, but I don't know. I gotta look because I ain't even been seeing nothing on the list. What's going on with the inventory? So shit. But yeah, make sure y'all tap in whdacademy.com. Fastest, easiest way for you to get your license. Tap into the website. Copart and IAA accounts just for $600. Get your own login so you can buy and pick up the cars and get the titles yourself and flip cars, man. All you gotta do is join whdacademy.com, link in the description, and pick the Platinum membership. Alright? Yep. Shout out to the Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Man, I got too many whips. No room to... Damn, I'm about to run the stop sign. Got too many rips. Nowhere to keep them. You know what I'm saying? But... I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna go to the auction today. Mom's is done with my Hyundai. I'm probably about to go get my Hyundai real quick. That's when I'm probably about to go drop this car off to Mom's crib. Get back in the Hyundai until somebody buy it from me. $3,000? Y'all can have a Hyundai for $3,000. Y'all don't want it for $3,000. I know the front bumper looking a little crazy, but it's cool, bro. It's not that serious. You ain't gonna find another one for $3,000. You can find one for like $2,000, $2,500, but something gonna be wrong with it. The check engine light gonna be on. You know what I'm saying? Something wrong with mine too, as far as the way it look, but there's nothing mechanically wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, look, this is what y'all gotta realize. Like, if I put another bumper on it, get it painted and all that, or find the same color bumper, because I couldn't find the same color bumper when I was looking. But, you know, man, that's too much money. Then I'm gonna want shit damn near. What would I want? Because I probably got to invest like I'm not investing shit. I'm going to sell that shit just like that. You know what I'm saying? That's how I just be doing it. You feel me? Some of them make them look nice and pretty. Like this Honda, of course, I'm going to make it look nice and pretty. You feel me? Because shit, it was just so simple. Why not? It's literally just a fender. Found the same color fender. Boom. You know what I'm saying? But like that door, y'all seen how that side look over there? I'm not fixing that. What? $3,000, $6,000? I mean, $5,000. Pay me, bro. You feel me? But this car not for sale. So we gonna keep this. We got the Benz we keeping. You feel me? For the play. You feel me? Ride. I need to change the goddamn air suspension off there. That's gonna be the next thing we're gonna do. I need to change the air suspension on the Benz. I need to fix the fucking transmission on the Silverado. My van, I'm just keeping the van. That shit, I'm just keeping it. It's at my mama's house. And then what else I got? This car. So I got 4 cars right now that I'm keeping. And then I need to work on maybe like a little townhouse or a crib, man. I kind of wanted a townhouse, but I kind of want a house. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But I'm kind of comfortable where I'm at, too. So we just got to figure it out, man. But the next thing we're going to do, I don't know. We got to I'm going to sell that truck and get another truck. I ain't decided yet, bro. I ain't decided. Because my truck don't got to look pretty. That's why I had sold those other trucks that I had got. Like, my truck don't gotta be pretty, bro. It just need to drive to go get a fucking bumper and a fender and stuff. That's all it need to do. I don't need it to do nothing else. Literally, that's all I need to do. Go get bumpers, fenders, and stuff. That's it. And I really don't need to go get fenders and bumpers and stuff. For real. I need to get hoods and stuff like that. Doors. You know what I'm saying? So, but I will say this, because since I had broke my wrist, we will be like, I'll change a hood. But some stuff, man, that I was doing, changing like reinforcements and stuff, it depends on like how bent it is. I don't really plan on doing that type of stuff no more. I just want the easiest fixes. Like, you can't beat this. Like, I'm gonna give you an example. That E-Class E550 that I had, that E550, damn, that E550 turned out good though. The E550 turned out good. But that was just too much. I felt like that was too much. I had to change the freaking air compressor and everything. If I would have just had to change the bumper, the reinforce, and then I had to buy too much, yeah, that was too much. I had to buy too much. When you get into like, damn, I forgot to put my rubber bands back on my whatchamacallit. But it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna still put it on there though. But when you get into buying too much parts, man, it makes the price of the car, it'd be too much, bro. So the price of the car, I was in too much on that car. I could have made more profit if I didn't have to buy all that. If I just, like, bro, I bought a fender for $150, and I bought those what's them things called, lower control arms for $40 a piece. Come on, man, you feel me? You can't beat that. So that's all. Been passed salvage inspection, everything. I'm good to go. So I'm trying to see if right now, do I want to it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I think I'm about to go. Oh, I can't go today. The office ain't open today. But yeah, I was gonna go to the office and go and get my rebuilt title, but it's not open today. But man, y'all see what's going on. Long ride back to the crib. Honda riding good, man. 196 on the miles. You feel me? And we ride. I've been using eco mode too, but eco mode, this mode is slow. Look, he trying to get in range on it. But we cruising, man. We in our daily. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Going and call it a wrap for this video. Ain't nothing else going on. You feel me? We passed out the inspection. That was it. That was real fast. He ain't have to put it back on the lift. Nothing. Real simple. Appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all. Go get me something to eat. Go back in the crib. And
I'm gonna look at to see if I can find something today, but if I can't, damn no, I gotta go to my mom's house because I need my all my stuff in the Hyundai, my scanner, my everything. So I gotta go to mom's house.
Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use ERepairables. You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself. Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass at these two auctions. And as you can see, they are in most states. Click the link in the description if you're interested.
Alright, y'all, so it's the next day at the car wash. I got that shit on again, you feel me? As always, y'all about to get an outfit check. But it's the next day. I done got my title already. Rebuilt title. Y'all blowing me up on Instagram for my Honda Accord. I'm not selling my Honda Accord. Y'all want to pay $6,000, I'll sell it to you. $1,000 more than what I was gonna sell it for. Like, if y'all can make me get off of it, or yeah, I'll sell it. But I'm not selling my Honda Accord. I'm keeping me some stuff. I'm keeping me some stuff now. Keeping me I'm keeping the Benz. I'm keeping the Honda Accord. You feel me? Keeping me some stuff now. It's my turn. Like the Lil Baby album. My turn. It's my turn now. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all how fresh I am. I just want to clean up the sides and stuff of my car. You know what I mean? Like, you see, like, all right here. Oh, it shouldn't be nothing in there. Okay, I was about to say. You see, like, all that dirt right there? Gotta clean all that out, man. Fix it. Yes, sir. All the way down to the. Ooh, yeah. Y'all like how the pants match the hoodie? But let me go ahead and get cleaned up. Let me see if I can clean this up a little better than what it is. But it's official, like a whistle. You feel me? And that's green too. It kind of matched my outfit. What? This color is actually green. But let me vacuum this thing. I'm not getting a car wash. I need a car wash. Well, I probably do. Nah, I don't need no car wash. So let me go in and clean this thing up, man. But this thing is completely done. But if y'all want to pay $6,000, all right, cool. But because if it wasn't, it's $5,000. Nah, I seen one on there with 190. It was like, yeah, I would have sold it for $5,000, just like it is right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like how it sit right now, $5,000 is fair. But like, if y'all want me to get up off of it, like y'all, you know what I'm saying? The way y'all blowing me up on Instagram, pay me $6,000. If not, I'm keeping the car. Feel me? So. Yeah.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.